In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Bitcoin from OKX to Binance. Real quick though, if you do need any bonuses for exchanges, they'll be in the description below. Anyway, here's how you can transfer Bitcoin from OKX to Binance. So first you want to open up Binance, and once you are on the Binance app, you can go to Portfolio in the bottom right hand corner. Once you've done that, if you hold Bitcoin, you can go ahead and click on Bitcoin. Or if you want to just click on deposit, you can do that as well. I'm going to click on deposit. Then we can go and either search for BTC, or you can see on trending, we've got BTC already here. So I'm going to click on BTC, and it's going to ask us what network we want to deposit on. I'm going to choose the BTC Segwit network. Now it will show you your Bitcoin QR code as well as your Bitcoin address. You can go ahead and copy this. Clicking on the button will copy it to your clipboard. Now what we can do is head back to OKX. Once on OKX, you need to go to Portfolio in the bottom right hand corner, and then here you will see all of your portfolio. Obviously I have BTC and USDT. You then need to click on BTC. Here it will show you your BTC price and also your history. But if you go back, you can go and click on withdraw. In the right hand corner here, you'll see the withdraw button. Click on that and you can click withdraw crypto, and then we can go and select Bitcoin. So now we'll choose BTC, select destination. We're going to put here new destination, click on exchanges or wallet, and then we can go ahead and agree to these terms. So you can see that it's going to cost us around $1 in fees to withdraw. So now we can go ahead and paste in the address we've copied from Binance. And then you can go ahead and choose the amount you want to withdraw. So I could put max. Then if we wanted that to go through, we could click on submit. And then that would appear in Binance. So that is how you can do it. I hope that was easy and helped you out.